Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Tank and welcome to Tank Tries, and this is Flaming Hot Chicken Ramen. Apparently this is the wrong one that I ordered, but or spicy chicken ramen, not flaming hot, I'm sorry. I'm still thinking of Protomet's videos when he did the flaming hot Cheetos and flaming hot Lays. That shit was really funny. I give you props, dude, and I will help you eat those so you can get rid of those damn bags, because my stomach is strong. Unless I did that thing. That thing whooped me. So, flaming or hot spicy chicken flavored ramen noodles. Like I said, I am getting, this is the wrong one, but I am going to get the one that is spicier, so I can do that for you all. But for now, let's cook this up. Well, I'm gonna cook it up. You're just gonna have to wait for a little bit, and then I'll be back and I'll put the weird hot sauce on top of it. So, see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I boiled the noodles. Sorry. I boiled the noodles up. Look at all that steam just coming off that bowl. Alright. Now, we got some, I can't read any of that, but this gotta go on it. This has gotta go on the noodles yet. This. And this. This is like really hot sauce stuff. So, first, it's whatever the fuck this is. I think this is like the flavor, the chicken flavor. So, I'm gonna scooch my laptop back a little bit so I can have more room. Whatever. My microphone is dangling. It can dangle for a little bit. Now I'm gonna give this, let me. Okay, I peeled it. There we go. Let me take a little whiff here. That smell I don't really recognize. It's got like, okay, it's got like a smidge of like pepper. I don't know if you can see inside here. It's, well, from my video camera deal I can see. I don't know if you can, but, well, it's got, looks like we have some type of seeds or something or other. So this is going on the ramen. We're going to spread that out a little bit better. I'm going to stir that up in there quick. Okay, stirring this up. Now, I guess this will make me enter hell again. So, let's just give it a little, ooh, I might have to snip this. Just give me a minute. Always good to have a scissors nearby. Alright. I'm sorry guys, it's been, that's just smells like soy sauce. Huh. Well, it's not soy sauce, I can't really tell what that is. So, I guess this is more hot sauce. We're gonna just dump this on in. All over the ramen. When I did my finger in there, they had a tiny bit of a tang to it, but kind of looks like barbecue sauce. Okay, see? Now I'm going to stir this all up. So now all of it's covered. All the noodles are covered in whatever sauce and seasoning thing I just put on in there. Okay, there's an odor coming off of this now. Oh boy, guys. I think it'll be good though. Like I told you before in the beginning, this isn't technically the one I wanted to order. That one is coming. This apparently is just level 1. There's a level 2 that's spicier. And I'm gonna do both of them here because, well, I'm doing this one right now. So, should we see if I can get through this? Let's get to it. It's got a kick. I'm not gonna lie, it's got a kick. But I think you can handle it. This is definitely not as hot as a one chip challenge. That thing was bad. It's just got some, like, this is just like, okay, if I had to go by level of hotness, this has to be a 6 max. Maybe a 4. I'm gonna say a 5. It's a 5. I can feel it though. It's warm, but it's not. I can handle it. I can handle this one. Well, guys, I like this. This is pretty good. It's slightly getting to me, but it's not like the one chip challenge where it just got me and it's like that's just like maybe it's just hot, guys. I'm just saying it's hot. It's, I'd probably have this again. This is really good though, guys. I would recommend you to give this a shot if you can handle spice. But if you can't, I would not. It is still starting to burn, but it's not too bad. Well, I'm not rushing for milk, so. It's very good. I recommend it, guys, but probably meant not to you because if you can't do the flaming hot Cheetos and Lay's, no. Not for you. Anyone else? Go for it. Rum. Oh, guys. I don't know. What can I tell you? It's hot, but it's not flaming hot. Well, maybe it could be flaming hot. It's something. So, if you want to give it a shot, go for it. If not, don't. Alright, it's starting to kick in pretty good. So, I've been Tank. This has been Tank Tries. This has been Flaming Hot Noodles or Spicy Chicken Noodles. So, till next time, my friend. Later.